It's 4 in the morning. Another day, another grind. The grind never stops for the dreamers, the creators, the hungry. Let's check the weather first. Still relatively cool. Just the perfect weather for a full day's work. Now let's play some music to set the mood, maybe something relaxing. Okay, I'm ready to seize the day. I've been working from home for over a year now. Sometimes it's easy to lose focus with all of life's distractions. But this is all just a test of mental toughness, mind over matter. Having a companion that makes a day's work easier is something that we all need. And I found mine with the ASUS Zenbook Duo 14. With this, a day's work becomes easier and more efficient to do. The main display allows me to focus on my work, while the second display gives me a glimpse at what I could look forward to at the end of the day. And when I need more screen real estate, the Zenbook Duo 14's ScreenPad Plus offers just enough room for that extra bit of space. As a content creator, I am always looking for something that will make content creation much faster. Luckily, the Zenbook Duo 14 offers great compatibility with Adobe's content creation applications from Premiere Pro to Photoshop, giving you shortcuts to functions you often use. And even better is the fact that it has 100% sRGB for color-accurate projects. But this laptop isn't just for content creators. Digital artists, interior designers, architects, and other creative minds are just some of the individuals who could benefit from a dual display. And by the way, it already comes with a free stylus. Cool. And sometimes, for sanity's sake, we all need to take that quick break from work. Thankfully, the Zenbook Duo 14 is capable of some light gaming. A single Dota 2 game or one round of Valorant goes a long way to improving your mental health. Okay, break's over. Now back to work. Wait. There's a very long document, but I want to see more of this file. Let me see. There. That's so much better. Wait, is there someone trying to call? Let me get that. Hey, what do you know? It's my friend Hardware Voyage. Thank God for integrated webcams. It looks like it's getting dark, and I still have enough battery to keep me working for an hour. But I'm gonna be topping off this battery because while my day job is over, my side hustle begins. It's time for more work. By nature, I'm a nocturnal person. A dark environment is where I make most of my best creations. It's the silence and isolation that puts me in the zone, just like Kobe when he scored 81 points on the Raptors. It's really getting late. This is the time when madness turns into chaos and chaos into despair. So, I think this should be enough. It's time to call it a day.